Alright, so we're reviewing the Mountain Hardwear multi-pitch 25 liter. Just got finished rappelling down and kind of got some thoughts on it initially. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so it does have a shoulder strap. It's got a whistle in it. It's got a lot of straps to strap some stuff on the exterior. The bottom is made of a nice material, definitely water resistant, waterproof. The bag itself is waterproof. Been dealing with some rain in and out today. Been doing a good job. So as far as a water bladder goes, it does have a space for that. You can see here, I'm not using a bladder today. I had my wisdom teeth removed, so I'm not supposed to suck. But this is a 2-liter platypus, and it fits this no problem. Refreshing.
Alright, so I wanted to show you the views up here. I can't really talk, so I had to post-record this because the wind was pretty bad. But yeah, beautiful view. Just finished climbing out on this. Single pitch. And I wanted to point out a few features. So you're going to see me lean my head back here. And it doesn't hit the rope. That's key for climbing. You want to be able to look up when you're climbing. So I'll do a side profile view here, and you can see the mesh pocket with the shoes. Doesn't really get in the way there. Let's check out the other side. Slim backpack. Side profile is great. Top view. Watch the tree. Again, check out these views. Beautiful. Here's another side profile. So the next picture you're going to see here is the rope strap, and the first one here shows the strap going around the side. The next picture shows the strap on the top. I prefer the side straps. Alright, one last thing for the rope. When it's strapped up, it's pretty hard to access the top pouch. Not to say you can't, but it's pretty hard. One cool thing about this bag is on this side here, it's got a zip here, and so you can kind of get into the side. So I got an Eno hammock and straps are here. Zip this back up. So that is a very cool feature. You can see it's pretty long, definitely long enough for any size rope that you're going to be carrying. The next feature that I wanted to point out is the mesh expandable pocket here. So after the climb, I threw my shoes in there. You can definitely fit a water bottle in here. And then it's nice because it just goes back in this pocket and zips up. You could store stuff in this little side pocket as well. This pocket does not have access to the main pocket. The hip belt, you saw me wear that. And that does tuck back into here. So if you don't want the hip belt, do that. Now it does have gear slings on the side. So I did try those out on the last climb that I was climbing out today. They were quick and easy to access. I didn't have any issues. Alright, so I want to show you with the hip belt, with the harness on, you can use this gear loop and it doesn't affect this gear. It was actually kind of nice for organization because I was able to place all the cams here, and then I was able to place nuts, tri-cams up here. So it kind of created a layer of gear, right? I didn't have any problem accessing it. I mean, it's a little higher up, but again, I didn't have any problems accessing it. Alright, so let's take a look at what we had in the bag. You saw the Eno hammock in there. got some nuts. We got a gear sling with cams, some more chalk, some tri-cam. The magic sling. You got my harness. Pieces of gear, chalk bag, rain jacket, long sleeve, and more runner, figure 8. So that's it. It's the entirety of the bag. It does have a little pocket here. It's got a zipper. Can't fit a whole lot in here. I carry a lighter, some extra batteries, wallet. You can put keys in there. It's got a little key hook. But yeah, you're not putting a whole lot in there. As I showed earlier, yeah, I had my water bladder back here, and that worked out well. Didn't really get in the way when it was full. It kind of created a bubble on my back. But once I started drinking the water, it was fine. It's got the multi-point things here, so I have my chair clipped to the outside. I have my helmet clipped to the outside, but overall, great feature there. Alright, so that's kind of my quick review on the Mountain Hardwear Multi-Pitch 25. Didn't take it on an actual multi-pitch, but the single pitches we did today, it was a great backpack. I'm definitely going to keep it. It's got a lot of cool features that I like. Seems like a pretty rugged bag. The outside is waterproof, the bottom's very durable. I had this sit in on wet rock, wet roots today. Nothing got wet, the inside was perfectly dry. A lot of cool features, like I said. My only complaint, and it's not a big one, but where the water bladder goes, in the back here, this back panel, there's not a hook for the water bladder, and so depending on what style you have, it might slide further down into there. But there's a bottom to it, and so it can only slide so far. I'm just used to, the Ospreys have that little hook that you hook the top of the Osprey bladder to. But other than that, I haven't found any issues with it. The padding on the straps is good. I never had any shoulder pain today. Yeah, so I'm very excited. Hopefully I can try it out some more this summer. And yeah, any questions, just put them in the comments, and I'll try to see if I can answer them. Thanks for watching.